Morning, everyone. First thing, I wanted to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. And I also wanted to thank Monster Truck Entertainment for inviting us out to the show in Corpus at South Texas Speedway last weekend. We had a really good turnout, lots of people there to take pictures with the truck. I think it was one of the best places to reveal it. Just being back behind the scenes with those guys that haul those trucks, do the work on them, mechanic them, drive them. Man, just kudos to those guys. It was an experience just being behind the scenes on that and seeing how much work they put into that. Very neat. Those people were very accommodating, some of the best people I've met for us to be at the show, and just want to say we really appreciate that. You know, I think at the next show, one of the things that would be good is if we get a sled, we get some cars to crush. You know, we had some jumps at that show, which I could go over, but, you know, to be honest, I mean, this truck isn't really made for jumping and catching a lot of air. So like I said, hopefully next show we'll get some cars, we'll get maybe a sled, something to drag around, something like that. So anyway, bring some more entertainment to the deal. The truck's basically been sitting since Sunday. This morning we're gonna fire it up. We're gonna pull it out of the shop, just check stuff, go over everything, make sure nothing's broke. We didn't have any breakdowns at the track. We ran it pretty hard, you know, just got on it, did some turns and stuff. Wasn't a lot for us to showcase it with, but one of the things that was really neat is at the pit party, they had a lot of people looking at the truck. We had the doors closed up, but after the show, we opened the doors up and I let a lot of people look inside the cab and see all the things that were done inside. So hopefully in this video, I'm gonna show you all a little bit of clips of the inside of the truck, and I've got some clips from the show also that we're gonna include in this video. And if you haven't hit the like, subscribe, and follow, please hit those down below. We're also going to start putting these videos on Facebook. They're going to be Facebook videos and not YouTube links. So we'll have both places, the Facebook and the YouTube channel. I do like that the Facebook lets it scroll a little bit, and they promote in a different way. So we're going to put it on both platforms from now on moving forward. So anyway, let's get this thing started up this morning. Let's get it pulled out of the shop. Let's look it over and make sure everything's good. All right, guys, don't judge my shop. It's a little dirty. Had some projects going on in here. First thing we'll do is we get these doors open. Already checked all the fluids on it this morning. Everything's good. I still got a little drip out of that oil cooler. I'm gonna battle that again another day. Let's see here. All right, so we get in. I did get my harnesses installed, which y'all seen that on the other videos. When you get in right here, this is your air brake. Here is the automatic to manual shift. So it's basically like a power shift if you've got it in one mode, and then it's fully automatic in another mode. But the automatic's pretty brutal. It's taking chunks out of the tires when it shifts because it's designed for pulling sleds. So the valve body's set up for hard shifts. Got our ignition switch here. Got the air horn here. Sub for the subwoofer control on the seat. This is for the rock lights that are under the steps. It's just, you know, you can set whatever color, white, blue, red. And then if I turn the key on, you can see here, we've got the dome light, park lights, or driving lights. This is all your clearance lights and your park lights, and this is the light bar in the front. This is the overhead KC lights. This is the bed lights, which I haven't installed yet. These are the backup lights. That's a LED bar in the back. Looking here, this is what you use to raise the cab. Like I said, it takes a little bit more to raise the cab than it used to. You've got to pull the front bumper down, and you've got about 6 bolts down the frame. You've got to cut loose, and then the cab will lift if you need to work on the engine. Rear steering is right here by your right leg. That's your transmission shifter. Roll keel for old mechanical governor. And then I did put a removable steering wheel in here. But basically that's about it. AC unit. Cold and hot. Back seat. Alright. enough of that. Let's start this thing up. Let's get it warmed up. Alright guys, again, thanks for watching the videos. Like I said, we're going to be on Facebook and on YouTube. I'm going to try to get the followers up on the Facebook page. So if you haven't done that, please go to the Facebook page. Please like and follow those videos. But thanks everybody for watching. Hopefully we'll get some cars to crush here soon, and we'll get that going, and then hopefully we'll get a sled to pull also.